Welcome to CM1. CM1 is a content management system that makes managing and updating your content easy. Let's log into the dashboard for an overview of some key features. First, let's take a quick look at a few dashboard tools known as gadgets. CM1 gadgets are a collection of customizable tools used to maintain and monitor your website. They can be used to view your site's traffic, moderate comments, maintain users, and much more. Your site's content can be viewed and managed through the Finder. Your content is separated into two folders, one named Sites, which houses your site's pages, and the other is called Assets. Pages are complete website pages. Assets are pieces of content that you can include on pages, such as text files, images, and PDF files. You can edit pages and assets by double-clicking on the page or asset in the Finder, which loads it into the editor. Once a page is open in the editor, you can easily add or edit content. You can also drag and drop existing assets from the Finder into an empty widget. CM1 also allows you to change your layout quickly with an entirely visual interface. For example, it's easy to add new regions and widgets just by dragging and dropping. With a new region in place, we're free to add a new widget to it. Changing your navigation structure is another easy drag and drop process. Want to make a new page the default landing page for a section? Just grab it from the Finder and drop it on the section. You can modify the arrangement of your existing sections and change their names easily. The best part is, all of your links are automatically managed, so you don't have to worry about broken links on your site when making these changes. Getting started in CM1 is easy with our patented import and design technology. First, decide what page on your current site you want to use to build your first CM1 template off of. Then enter the URL of the chosen page into the import tool. You will see in the Finder that all of your site's original files, text, images, CSS, have been pulled into CM1 and placed into a new theme folder for your site. In addition, a flat template using your site's original content has been generated, which is what we see here. First, you will want to identify what sections of this template you want to make editable. Using the inspection tool, you can carve down to these particular sections. CM1 will highlight possible regions to build out. Currently, you only have one large region, so you select it and make it into a row. From here, you can continue breaking down your page, moving from the outside in until all the regions you have decided to make editable have been built out. These regions have been created, but you can see that their contents are still faded. This content won't exist on your template until it has been promoted. Now this content will exist on all pages that use this template and will be locked for editing. We will not promote this middle content area. This way, content contributors can freely add or edit content in this area on your pages. Each region automatically contains an HTML widget, which houses raw HTML. With one click, you can transform this into a rich text widget. This makes it easier for your site's contributors to format text, images, and links when editing your pages. With your template complete, you are now ready to begin creating pages that use this template. This is done by selecting the Create New Page button in the Finder. You can create new templates and manage your existing ones in the Design Manager. In the Design Manager, you will have an overview of what pages use which templates. This is also where you can go to begin the process of creating another new template for your site. Same as before, choose a page on your existing site to build your second template off of and enter in its URL. Once you have imported the page which will be the basis of your second template, you can follow the same process of carving up your template from the outside in for this and for as many templates as your site will require. Once you've created your templates, it's easy to manage your pages and templates through the CM1 Design Manager. Through this menu, templates can be selected for quick and easy editing. For example, let's remove a link from our top navigation. It's also easy to add a new region and widget to a template. Changes to the template will take effect on all of the pages that use that template. You can view changes to a template by opening up any page which uses the template. You can also move existing pages from one template to another by using the Change Template feature. Depending on how different your old template is from your new template, your page's assets might not have a home in the new layout. Instead, they will be placed in the Unused Assets tray. If it is your intention to do away with some old content, you can go ahead and delete the asset here. Otherwise, simply drag and drop them into place. It's also easy in CM1 to edit theme files such as CSS and JavaScript files. Simply download them from the Finder, make any needed changes, and upload the new file. With CM1, managing your layouts and editing your pages really is easier than ever. And that concludes our introduction to CM1. For more CM1 videos and guides, be sure to visit help.percussion.com.